So hello guys, firstly I would like to tell you what AI Convo is. AI Convo basically helps most of the students to get placed in the companies. So that is our intention, and with that intention our team with hours and hours of hard work have made it possible to take around 15,000 HR emails to you guys, and these are totally legit one, and within 2 minutes I will show you if these are real or not. So we have taken out around email IDs of all HR that are publicly available, but they are not at one place. So many of the students were facing this problem. They used to get emails of HR but not in a single Excel file. So we have used the Chrome extension to take out this email. We have spent almost a hefty amount of money to bring these all email IDs and LinkedIn profiles into one Excel sheet with the company name, and let's check whether these emails and the profiles of the HR are real or not. So let's say, like, most of the students wanted Google, right? So we'll search Google and we'll do it find all. So these are searches in this Excel sheet. Now let's take any one of the record. Let's take, yes, this is Google of Shivangi Kapoor, and let's copy this and paste it into the Chrome. So we'll see if this particular ID is real or not, and just see, you can check this. She was an recruiter in the Google, and many more. And another example, if you wanted, I will tell you. Let's take Amazon, do it find all, then just will take out any of the names. So this is, I guess, yes, Amazon Service. So we'll check out his profile. So yeah, just you can see this profile is working in Amazon, and he's an HR business partner in the Amazon for the last 8 years. Now let's take another company. Let's take an Indian, any of the company, like Paytm we will take. Okay, we will take any of the profile here. So there are 3 searches, and I have taken this Paytm Chinmay profile, and then we'll check if even this profile is legit or not. And guys, you can see it. She was a business HR in the Paytm for 5 years. So yeah, this is the Excel sheet that we are going to provide to the students, and our simple intention is to help as many as students as possible to get placed in various companies across India. So with that intention, we managed to bring this particular Excel sheet to you guys.